name is Javed Khani. I'm a control room duty manager. I'm about to show you a control room tour. Our video screens are showing a lot of information to us to keep an eye on the services and to help us for late running, especially iConnect we use, telling us now how long the service is late and even the next one too. So we can keep an eye for the next service to make sure the service run on time. We have about 30 to 40 Reading Borough Council live cameras, so we can move them around if we want to, and we can keep an eye on the roads, how the road is doing through all day. If you can see here, this is our live radio system screens where all the bus number appear in when the drivers try to call us, and we answer them accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this Reading Buses control room. Everything we do in for you to make sure we deliver a best service possible.
If you enjoyed our virtual open day, please text SIM2 to 70085 to donate £2 to Sport in Mind.
Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again next year.